Hey there! Thanks for stopping by. Let's study ordinal numbers together.
First,
second,
third,
fourth,
fifth,
sixth,
seventh,
eighth,
ninth,
10th.
Now let's practice.
What is the first animal?
A chicken.
What is the second animal?
A sheep.
What is the third animal?
A pig.
What is the fourth animal?
A goat.
What is the fifth animal?
A rabbit.
What is the sixth animal?
A pig.
What is the seventh animal?
A goose.
What is the eighth animal?
A donkey.
What is the ninth animal?
A turkey.
What is the 10th animal?
A duck.
Awesome! You got it!
Thank you for watching.